Unchecked AI, unchecked artificial intelligence, unseen dangers. What the DeepSeek breach means for South Africa's companies and POPIA compliance. Okay, remember guys, we are living in the era of the artificial intelligence, and there's a lot of complications around artificial intelligence, AI, right? So how to ensure that in the utilization of the AI, you do not violate acts such as POPIA when it comes to their compliance, okay? So let's get to it, guys. DeepSeek, okay? DeepSeek, a prominent competitor in the artificial intelligence, which is AI marketplace, recently faced a significant security incident when an unsecured ClickHouse database exposed over 1 million lines of sensitive information, including chat histories, secret keys, and backend details. This vulnerability granted unauthorized access to potentially confidential data and system resources, raising critical concerns about artificial intelligence security and data protection. Greetings guys, my name is Tebos Kosana. The name of the platform is Izwi Labansundu. Whether you're watching it from YouTube or from other different platforms, guys. Okay, so the breach underscores substantial security risks associated with artificial intelligence, right? Which is associated with artificial intelligence companies processing large volumes of user imputed data, including sensitive content, particularly when users have limited control or oversight over information handling and security protocols. Global breach and what lessons can be learned locally, meaning the global breach and the local lessons. The DeepSeek incident illustrates the risk of artificial intelligence innovation outpacing its legal regulation in the majority of jurisdictions globally. While South Africa has yet to adopt, AI-specific laws, meaning South Africa has yet to adopt the artificial intelligence-specific laws, businesses are still accountable under existing legislation, including the Protection of Personal Information Act of 2013, POPIA, which governs personal data protection and security. Internationally, regulators are taking decisive action. Both Ireland's Data Protection Commission and Italy's Garante have launched investigations into DeepSeek's security failures. These authorities have a track record of issuing substantial penalties for data protection breaches, reinforcing that while AI operates across borders, legal accountability remains within specific geographical locations and the attendant legal structures. For South African businesses, this underscores the importance of ensuring compliance with data protection laws, particularly in environments where employees increasingly rely on artificial intelligence tools in the workplace. POPIA implications for South African employers. The DeepSeek breach highlights a growing concern how employees interact with artificial intelligence models, in the workplace, particularly when using publicly available tools like ChatGPT for work-related tasks. POPIA mandates that organizations prevent unauthorized disclosure of personal information to third parties, and this includes artificial intelligence platforms. POPIA was enacted prior to the accelerated adoption of artificial intelligence platforms in the workplace, and this introduces novel vulnerabilities requiring specific consideration and guidance. A single instance of sensitive data being input into a public artificial intelligence model by an employee could breach POPIA, potentially resulting in financial, reputational, and legal consequences. Essential steps for employers. Artificial intelligence offers significant opportunities, but introduces gaps and compliance challenges. South African employers can proactively implement several measures to protect data while maintaining compliance. Number one, establish a comprehensive artificial intelligence policy. Define permissible tools and outline usage guidelines that align with POPIA's conditions, including data minimization or reduction, valid consent, relevant declarations on artificial intelligence, and secure data transfers. Implement regular training programs. Conduct ongoing training addressing the risk of using artificial intelligence platforms, sharing sensitive data with AI models, and ensuring that employees, just a bit, guys. Ensuring that employees, contractors, and service providers understand POPIA principles and legal implications. Create incident response protocols. Develop clear procedures for identifying, containing, and reporting data breaches, emphasizing prompt and transparent reporting and action. Maintaining regular AI usage audits. Monitor organizational practices to identify unauthorized artificial intelligence tools adoption to mitigate risk and ensure compliance with organizational policies. Employees' responsibilities. But we'll leave it at that, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much.